Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. We wish all our viewers and readers a very happy Makar Sankranti on behalf of IT Voice team. In today's news, we will be covering news about Google implements cost-cutting measures with employee layoffs, WhatsApp introduces sticker creation feature for iOS users, Sam Altman reinstated as OpenAI CEO by newly formed board, Sennheiser unveils Momentum Sport earbuds with health tracking. Flipkart offers lowest price for Apple iPhone 15 with HDFC card deal. Oppo set to launch Reno 11 series in India. X acquired by Elon Musk fires 1,000 employees from safety team and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. Google has laid off hundreds of employees across its hardware, voice assistants, and engineering teams as part of cost-cutting measures. The layoffs are part of Google's strategy to responsibly invest in its key priorities and significant opportunities, ensuring a focus on essential areas. Google states that it is making ongoing organizational changes, including role elimination globally, to streamline its operations. Several technology companies, including Meta, Spotify, and Amazon, have also implemented job cuts recently, reflecting industry-wide adjustment and reassurance to investors. Google is in a fierce rivalry with Microsoft, both striving for leadership in the artificial intelligence AI domain, emphasizing the competitive landscape in the tech industry. Next, we have WhatsApp introduces a new feature for iOS users, enabling them to create, edit, and share stickers directly within the platform. Users can make conversations creative by turning photos into stickers or personalizing existing images, adding a new dimension to communication. The feature is backed by WhatsApp end-to-end encryption, ensuring users can experiment with creativity without compromising security. Stickers are easy to create with auto-crop functionality and a suite of editing tools, providing users with a seamless and enjoyable experience. The feature is already available on WhatsApp web and will be progressively rolled out on iOS 17 Plus, enhancing the user experience on the platform. Sam Altman is reinstated as OpenAI CEO by a newly formed board, marking a return to the role after a period of uncertainty. The decision was made during a meeting on Capitol Hill where Altman and Speaker Mike Johnson discussed the risks and challenges posed by artificial intelligence. The conversation highlighted concerns about AI disrupting democratic processes, increasing fraud, and potential job loss, prompting discussions on regulatory frameworks. The US Congress, with Republicans controlling the House and Democrats having a Senate majority, has made slow progress in passing effective AI regulation. Altman emphasizes the need to balance the advantage of AI while mitigating risk, with Europe ahead in drafting AI regulations and the US lagging behind. Sennheiser reveals Momentum Sport earbuds at CES 2024, featuring health tracking capabilities including heart rate and body temperature measurement. The earbuds utilize a photoplethysmography sensor for heart rate tracking and a dedicated temperature sensor for body temperature measurement. The earbuds can sync with health apps like Garmin, Polar, and Strava, catering to users who want to track and integrate their health data. Designed with a semi-open design, the earbuds incorporate active noise cancellation ANC technology for an immersive audio experience. Sennheiser Momentum Sport earbuds, available in 3 colors, are set to launch on 9 April 2024 with a price tag of $330, positioning them in the premium segment. The Apple iPhone 15 is available at an all-time low price of Rs 68,999 on Flipkart, down from its MRP of Rs 79,900. Users can further reduce the price to Rs 68,999 by using an HDFC credit card, which grant an instant cashback of Rs 4,000. The iPhone 15 boasts a 48-megapixel primary camera, 4K video capabilities, and is supported for years with regular updates. The deal coincides with Flipkart's Republic Day sale starting from 13 January, potentially offering additional discount for interested buyers. The discounted price is for the base 128 GB model with an option to choose the 256 GB model for users seeking more storage capacity. Next up we have Oppo announces the launch of the Reno 11 series in India, scheduled for 12 January with two models, Reno 11 Pro and Reno 11. The top and Reno 11 Pro features up to 12 GB RAM and 256 GB storage, while the base Reno 11 comes with 8 GB RAM and 256 GB storage. Both smartphones will be available on Oppo India's online store, Flipkart and select retail outlets starting at 11 am. Reno 11 Pro is powered by MediaTek Dimensity 8200 and the base model gets the MediaTek Dimensity 7050 SoC. The smartphones boast AI features such as smart image mating and an AI-powered smart touch feature enhancing user experience. At last, X, acquired by Elon Musk, fires 1,000 employees from its safety team, responsible for curbing abusive content online. The layoffs follow scrutiny by Australia's online watchdog due to a spike in toxicity and hate on the microblogging platform. Data reveals that 1,213 trust and safety staff left X since Musk acquisition, with 80% being software engineers focused on safety issues. The layoffs in X align with recent job cut in major tech companies like Google, Amazon and Meta, signaling a broader trend. Amazon and Meta also announced job cuts, emphasizing a shift in focus towards impactful content and product initiatives while discontinuing investment in certain areas. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and follow IT Voice for the latest tech news.